you ready to start winning in the stock market? Well, that's what I'm here for. We're going to go over 3 stocks that are most likely to go up tomorrow. Okay, we're going to go over 3 stocks. My name is John, and it is my job to make you into a profitable day trader. Thank you for coming to the channel. Let's do it. Yesterday, we said that if the stock came above this $3.41 level, then we would buy into the stock. Okay, so we said that we would buy into the stock right here. So we bought in, and then we said we're going to mint this stock. So we're going to be out of it very quickly once it came up to $3.78 on potential. Definitely not a stock you want to hold overnight, but if we're able to get a break of $3.60, then we can mint this stock. Okay, this is going to be a mint play for $3.78. We hit our profit target, overshot it by just a little bit here at $3.87, and then boom, started to come on down, and it died. So good thing we minted this stock, and we were planning to mint this stock, and we got our money really fast. So it went from $3.50 to $3.80. That's a substantial increase. 30 cents on a stock that's about $3 is about 8% increase. So an 8% increase on 10,000 is, so on a 10K investment, that is $800 that you got right out the gate there. So we definitely want to follow the plan and use a stop loss at all times. But yes, this was a winner here. I like to see you guys make your money and get out. So with that being said, let's get into the video for today. Oh, one more announcement. I do have a special meeting that you guys can join online. It's a stock class. Do you want to know how to day trade? Do you want to know how to do what I do? Do you want to know how to do what my students do? Do you want to make thousands of dollars in the stock market every single week? Well, I got something for you. That is our webinar. It's going to be a live webinar. We're hosting it through Meetup tomorrow, Wednesday, August 17th at 5:30. I think it's 6:30 p.m. or 7:30 p.m. It's going to be sometime in the evening, and so you guys are going to be able to learn exactly how to make your first $1,000 in the stock market. I'm going to leave that link in the description. And with that being said, so webinar, join it. You don't want to miss it. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the 3 stock picks for today. Let's do it. Oh, we're here, aren't we? The first stock is BBBY. That is Bed Bath and Beyond stock. Got squeezed like crazy. Okay, got squeezed like crazy from $14 all the way to the $28 level. Okay, and this was a big one. This was a big one right here. This stock is. This stock has gone crazy. It definitely dumped. So that is a sign right there that this stock is not for the faint of heart. This is for people that are warriors. This is for people who are ready to put it all on the line in order to make a buck in the stock market. Not actually my favorite kind of play. Okay, I would prefer you guys to choose something more stable, something that drifts up ever so slightly so that you guys can get that guaranteed profit. Okay, and nothing is guaranteed in the stock market, which is why you must always use a stop loss. When you guys trade the stocks on this list, make sure that you use a stop loss that is commensurate with your risk level. If you're okay with losing $100, risk $100. If you're okay with losing $1,000, then risk $1,000. We are investors of all shapes and sizes. We are all different, and as a result, the amount that we risk on a trade and we feel comfortable risking is also different. So I want you guys to use a risk level that you are comfortable with, and that way you can invest and you trade without feeling the pressure to put more on the line than you feel comfortable with. I want you guys all to be comfortable with what you invest, okay? So this stock is BBBY. We are looking for it to cross the $24.60 level. Okay, that's the key level there, and that's quite far above where the stock is right now. But as you can see, the stock closed at about $20, and then it shot up in the aftermarket to about $22.63. So it actually went up 10% in the aftermarket alone. So where this stock is actually going to end up at the end of the day, nobody knows. But we do know that 2360 is going to play a key role in tomorrow's trading day. The stock is BBBY. It is not for the faint of heart. It whips around like crazy. And really, I only recommend this stock to experienced traders. Ready? Oh, okay. So we just got a jump on a stock that we've been watching. And okay, nice. So that happened. Let's that was my alert system kicking in there. Hope it didn't scare anybody. But anyway, now we see BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond pushing down. But let's stay focused here. So BBBY, not for the faint of heart. As you can see, it gapped up $2, but then now look, anyone that bought here, it now gapped down $1. So it went up $2, down $1. So very, very volatile. Even in the aftermarket, even as we're talking right now, this stock is moving. It's alive. So be very careful. I only recommend this stock to very experienced traders because it is an extremely volatile stock. We have to know what we're doing if we're going to go into this stock. Second stock, it's a little bit more calm. It's called FUBO, FUBO TV Incorporated. This level has a very clear pivot point, which I like. I like that the point of control at $6.79. It's very clear. If we see the stock push above that level, then we can put a stop loss of about 20 cents in order to get a push to about $7.35. Okay, $7.35. So $7.35. We want the stock to come to $7.35. And if it comes to that level, then we're being in pretty good shape because we'll have made a 15-20% return on our investment. If we want to hold a little bit, the next sell target is going to be $7.97. Okay. And if the stock really squeezes like crazy, then it can go as high as $9.75. So that's about my final sell target. I don't think it's going to go higher than $10 tomorrow. But given that it's about $6 right now, making about 75% return on our investment in one day, which is $7,500 on a $10,000 investment, is not bad, right? That is not that bad. Now, the next one is EAR. Now, this one is very interesting, very interesting. I actually have some shares of EAR right now. I bought this about $2, and it just has so much potential. EAR has so much potential. It's probably going to open up somewhere above the 225 level. So we're going to have to come up with a new pivot point. But EAR, E-A-R, this one is a winner. EAR is a winner. It has gone up from $1 all the way to $2.45. So that's a 245% increase. If you were investing $10,000, then you would now have not just $20,000, but 200. No, not 200. I'm sorry, my math is failing me. If you invested $10,000, then you would actually have $2,450 right now. I'm sorry, $24,500. If you invested $10,000, you would have $24,500 right now if you sold the high of this candle. If you sold it right now, it's about $234. You'd have $23,400, representing $13,400 in profit if you had invested in EAR. Okay, so pretty nice numbers there. Pretty nice numbers. And here's the thing: EAR ain't done. EAR ain't done. It's still going up, and there's still potential for this stock. If it comes down to 226, we can get a revisit there, buy in at that point, or we can wait to $2.50 is broken, as that seems to be the next pivot point that it's having trouble with. That being said, this stock, huge, okay? Huge. If people are starting to like EAR again, then this stock can really soar. In fact, the opportunities in the stock market right now are starting to show themselves more and more. More and more opportunities are starting to pop up in the stock market. Stocks are starting to go crazy. It's possible we could be coming out of a bear market. And if we are, then everybody that knows how to trade is going to make a ton of money. I want you guys right now to consider getting a mentor or day trading coach. I actually do have a membership for day trading coaching, and that's called the Rocket Trader Pro Group. If you guys feel like I can get you to where you need to be in trading so that you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars just trading stocks from home, then give me a ring. You can either contact me on Discord or email me at info@rocketdaytrading.com if you're ready to take that step and just supercharge your financial future, okay? That being said, if you guys like today's video, please like the video, subscribe so you get more trade plans, and we'll see each other next time. But before we leave here, let's go over one more time. We have BBBY, FUBO, and EAR. These are our 3 stocks for tomorrow, okay? And we're getting some really good moves here on all of these stocks. If we take a look then tomorrow, they come to our pivot point, make sure you use a stop loss, but make sure you make some profit as well. So thank you guys again for joining me in the stock market, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.